Hello, teacher. For this project, our group is Andrés Ordóñez, Wendell Campbell, and I, Andrés Leon. We decided to create a machine that gives food to the pets of people that have a disability or they have problems with, well, feeding them. So the machine automatically, like pressing a button or, well, only giving such a quantity of food, then the dog can still eating and eat until, well, he wants. And that's the purpose, that people with pets, for example, a blind person, can feed his dog or her dog with this machine. So we decided to create 3 prototypes. These are the prototypes.
Hi, my name is Ronald Campbell, and this is my uh, prototype for a dog food dispenser. So, how does it work? This that you open here first, the top of the container, and you place dog food in here. You can put as much dog food as you want, but it depends on the size of the dog and the diet that the dog has. When you put the amount of food, let's say it's 2 scoops, and when you put it, and let's say that 2 scoops are around here, when you put it, all the food will first spread all over the plate that is down at the dispenser that is over here. Will spread all over the plate, and when it's spread all over the plate, the dog will eat it. When the dog eats enough food, the dispenser will dispense more food, and the dog will have more food. It's kind of a simple idea. Um, but to make this more complex, my group and I decided that we should add like buttons. This, for example, that the cap with some motors, RC motors, and cables, and a button. You can open the cap by pressing a button, and so it will be just like to push a button, add the food, then close it by pressing the same button, and then your dog will feed automatically during the day. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you how it should work with more details and adding actually some dog food and having my dog eat it so you can see how does it work. Well, I opened the plate and now we just like add the food, and there you go. So when the food is here at the bottom and the dog will eats it, for example, I'm taking it out, you see that the dispenser is refilling itself. So here the dogs eat it, and they're just getting more food down to the plate. So it's all based on gravity, and this whole prototype was in search of a functional design, and the most efficient one that I could find is this one.
The third prototype is basically this thing, and it uses like a drawer type concept. So there's this box, and inside the box it will be like a piece of material that will be like sliding and slide out concept, and attached to that material will be the plate of the dog. So when the food goes down to the plate, a motor would cause that thing to slide out and then slide in when you press a button, so the dog doesn't eat or destroy the thingy. Then there is the food comes out of this plastic container that is on top, that basically and the food goes through 2 holes. The first one is a hole in the box, and the second one is a hole that is in this rectangular piece that goes across the box, that basically functions as a thing to cover when you want the food to come out and when you don't. So it has a hole, so when you want the food to come out, it will come out through that hole, and you will like make and when you don't want it to come out anymore, you slide it a little bit to the left or to the right, to either side, and it basically covers the food from coming out. In conclusion, next semester we're planning to put in action the build of the actual model, and we'll use the prototype that we think it's the most efficient one out of these 3. Thank you.